Logging equipment, trucks, trailers, don't miss the liquidation of this sawmill operation in central Kentucky. Bright Star Realty and Auctions presents this unique opportunity. After 80 years in operation, retirement has prompted the sale of this Lancaster, Kentucky lumber company. Real estate and a massive list of equipment, all selling at absolute auction December 18th. Property is at 228 Buckeye Road, Lancaster, Kentucky, and these 14 acres with numerous improvements include large industrial buildings. Sawmill equipment is well maintained and ready to work for you. Planers, debarkers, edgers, saws, conveyors, trimmers, and chippers. Also, dozers, skidders, loaders, forklifts, trucks, and trailers, plus portable buildings, tools, implements, support equipment, parts, and much more. Inspection is during business hours or by appointment through Bright Star Realty and Auctions. Complete liquidation of this reputable sawmill operation, 14 acres in Lancaster, Kentucky, and a gigantic list of equipment, all selling at absolute auction Friday morning, December 18th at 9 o'clock. Auction will be held on site where free food is available to bidders, but online bidding is also available. To find out more, call 931-698-3342 or visit the website brightstarauctions.com.